Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn up snapping on Wix. So let's get started. So right now, I'm on the Wix website right here, and I am on the editor. So I have in here a section with this picture right here. So if I move this picture, as you can see right here, it will be able to be a pink or purple line that will actually help me align this picture proportionally. So if you want to turn that up and you just want to put this however you want it to be, then just head over and click on Tools, then uncheck this Snap to Objects. Once you have done that, those pink or purple lines won't be able to put themselves in here anymore, and you will be able to put this however you want this to put. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you turn up snapping in Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!